Hey, hey! With spring in the air, I've been inspired to reach for a pastel color palette. If you're new here, I've been into mandala patterns pretty heavy, and I've been trying to expand my art skills. So today I'm challenging myself to learn how to blend with alcohol markers. There's so many markers on the market right now, but I like Ohuhu because of the variety and the price point. So now let's jump into the real meaning for this video. Have you ever looked at a finished piece and wondered, how do other artists get it to look so smooth? Or have you ever felt, I just can't figure out how the other creators do it? Well, there's no judgment here. I felt the same way. I felt comfortable blending colors together using pencils, but when it came to alcohol markers, I had no idea what to do until I figured out how to use a colorless blender. If you go back to the 14-second mark of this video, that's the blender. The first step to making your art less streaky is one I wish I knew sooner. Before I even touch a color, I can take the chisel or the fine tip of the blender and prime the paper. So think about it like prepping a canvas. By laying down a layer of clear alcohol-based ink first, we're saturating the fibers of the paper. This is going to let the pastel colors float on top and mix together rather than soaking in immediately and creating the harsh lines. So if you wondered how other artists get it to be so seamless, this like wet on wet start is often the hidden step. So I do want to be honest. This is my first time ever trying this technique. So I don't know if it's best to work section by section, like how you see here, or if you should prime a larger section to save time and then add your colors. But hey, do whatever works for you. Now let's look at the light to dark transition. Once the section was prepped, I went in with my lighter color second. I decided to use the fine tip of the Ohuhu marker just so I could be a little bit more precise. Then I decided to finish off my blending with the deeper color last. So now that I'm done with my cool colors, and if you're interested, I'll leave each marker that I use down in the description. Now I want to warm it up. So because this is a larger area, I decided to use the chisel tip. This process took some time to get used to, but remember, creativity is about the journey, not the destination. As this spring mandala comes along, you can see that even for a first-time blending attempt, the results are much smoother. So basically, if you saturate the paper enough, the markers are going to do the job for you. And if you're thinking that you can't do this, remember that it doesn't hurt to try and see how it turns out. Every stroke is just one step closer to mastering these pastel colors. It's all about practice, not perfection. So I don't know about you, but I think that this has been a pretty productive coloring session. I think my blending techniques are improving. If you have any art tips or coloring techniques, let me know what they are in the comments. Also, let me know which pastel color I should pick next. I'll make sure I'll use your suggestions in my next coloring session. Part 1 is complete. Part 2 is on the way. Okay, I'm going to go and get back to the drawing board.